Sphero robots are programmable robotic spheres designed for educational, entertainment, and research purposes. Fun, interactive activities keep students motivated. Sphero robots are widely used in schools and STEM programs to teach coding, robotics, and problem-solving skills. Sphero can access a large online community with resources, tutorials, and shared projects. Sphero robot works with various operating systems, including iOS, Android, macOS, and Windows. It can play educational games and challenges designed for logic and critical thinking. Sphero robot has a robust design, a durable and waterproof casing. It has a compact and spherical design for smooth movement. It is lightweight and easy to transport. Sphero is compatible with programming platforms like Blockly, JavaScript, and Swift. It uses the Sphero Edu app for coding and controlling the robot.